found out the last couple of days that Lee's car is up for return, and Dom said he wants to buy her the car. So what we're going to do, we're going to team up with her husband for this surprise. So today's the day. I'm going to show you a little video of the car, and then we're going to go and surprise her with it. So Dom's going to do a live video on our way around, and he's going to get a reaction. I really hope she likes it.
Hello everyone. I've just brought my mum a car. It's not a new car, but it's a car for my mum because she needs one. So I'm just driving it back to her now. A lovely A3. That's what we're doing. Come out. Just for you, Mum. Because you deserve it. Everything you've done for us all. Huh? It's your own little motor. Give me a kiss. Right, we're going. I just wanted to see everybody that my mum was going to cry, and she's crying. Here she is. See you later.